Hey, boys and girls, we are going to do some 10 frame math. If Miss Wall can get our mouse to work. Okay. So if you don't have this paper, you don't need it. You could get 10 pennies, 10 somethings, and you could do it along with us. So we're going to look here. So if you had 10 pennies, you would get 1, 2, 3, 4, set them to the side. And then you would keep counting to see how many more pennies make 10, because we're going to find different ways to make 10. So you can do that along with us. Ready? Now, let me tell you something. Miss Wall didn't have her crayons. My crayons are where my son who came in from the Army, where he's sleeping, and he was still asleep, so I didn't want to go get him, and because being in the Army's hard, so I was going to let him sleep, so I had to use my markers. So, you know how Miss Wall feels about coloring. So would Miss Wall take some scribble inside these mittens? And so you're going to see me coloring the way I tell you not to, but Miss Wall had to use markers today, so we're going to give Miss Wall some grace. All right, so what we're going to do is you're going to color the mittens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 mittens. And you can pause the video if you need to. And you're going to put the number 4. Then what you're going to do is you're going to color in the rest of the boxes. And remember, Miss Wall wouldn't take this. I wouldn't say this because I don't want to see any white. But you would color in the rest of the boxes. And when you got through, you would go back and count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you would put the 6 in the next blank. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Well, let's check and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 4 plus 6 did equal 10. All right, let's do one more together, okay? I have 2 toboggans. And look here, Miss Wall even tried with her markers. Did I color that toboggan all one color? Nope. He has a little ball on him. He has a decoration in the middle. So I tried to color it different. So when I got through coloring them, I counted them. 1, 2, and I put my 2 right here. When I got through doing that, I colored in the rest of my boxes. And now look what I did with these. I made a pattern. A, B, A, B, A, B. And again, Miss Wall wouldn't have taken this because you had to color in the whole box. But we colored in all the boxes, and let's see how many boxes we colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we put the 8 in the next blank. Remember, an 8 is you make an S and you go back home. Now let's make sure, let's see if 2 plus 8 equals 10. Now, we could know that just by looking at it, because if we know that both of our rows are full in our 10 frame, then we have 10. But let's count just in case we weren't sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 plus 8 was 10. So now you're going to do the same thing with the rest of them. If you don't have the paper, like I said, you just set some to the side. And then see, you have to start out with 10. Set some to the side and see how many you need. You could even look on the paper that's here, and you could see that you'll need 5 on one side, and then you're going to see how many more you need to make 10. Okay? All right. Happy math.